Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find the Papyrus font on Instagram stories. So let's just create a story here. I'm just gonna quickly take a screenshot or take a photo, I guess. Sorry. Go to the text button there, press the text button and you have to select the meme text for this to work. Oh my gosh, that is so annoying. Hold on. Which is this one. So select the meme one. Then you're just going to type in Papyrus and you're going to get this Papyrus font. I think you can, I don't know if you can delete it and it's going to still be there. If your background's black, just make the text black and the rest of the text white so that you won't have to see the Papyrus text on it. But that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.